joy to be standing before you today. My dream of allowing my words to be put to music has come to fruition right here on this stage. And a song that was written by Diane G. and I almost 15 years ago out in Ohio has been sung lovingly by John Stringer and Karen Drucker. They've donated their time and their love to create this video. Zion Cristante and Brian Vanek, as well as my choreographer, Denisha Smith, has helped our kids to create a beautiful video for you. And I just can't wait to share it with you today. It's called Spirit Lives. And here's John Stringer to introduce the video. Thank you so much.
Hi folks, John Stringer here, and on behalf of myself and Karen Drucker, who wanted me to send a huge thank you from her as well. Thank you so much for allowing us to be a part of this great project. Honestly, when Reverend Carolyn Ballinger reached out to me, I was honored to say yes by just meditating and hearing that it was mine to assist, and then her to reach out to Karen. Karen was a yes. Then we got to participate with so many of you in this project. Thank you, Reverend Carolyn, for creating the project. Thank you, Zion, for helping bring everything together. Brian and the Youth Expressing Spirit Ministry at First Unity Spiritual Campus in St. Petersburg, Florida. We're honored to be able to add our gifts to your project. So thank you and much love.
Spirit lives inside of me. This is what I know. Everywhere I journey, sweet spirit sure to go. Spirit lives inside me in everything I say and in everything I do. As I live in the oneness, I share this love with you. Spirit lives inside of you. I see the twinkle in your eyes. So when you're lost and lonely, is there to quiet all your cries? Spirit lives inside you in everything you say and in everything you do. As you live in the oneness, you share this love too. Spirit lives inside of us. What a sweet, sweet story to share. As we walk hand in hand together, we'll show the world we care.